Hello, this is Mike. I'm good for ice machine. Today is November 18th, 2021. Here we are delivering 10 set of 1 ton per day flake ice machines. Each machine can make 1 ton of ice flakes within every 24 hours. It's equipped with a Copeland spool compressor, a quart condenser. All the machines are designed to work with the fresh water. They will all be used in supermarkets. They are all ready for delivery. This is the area for us to make the flake ice evaporator. And this is the manufacturing line for assembling small capacity flake ice machines. And here we have more than 10 set of half ton per day flake ice machines in stock. Okay. Again, this is Mike. I'm good for ice machines. You're welcome to send an inquiry to me for flake ice machines. Yeah, we're going to check the inside. We will remove some ice flakes so we can check the quality of the ice made by the machine. Okay. Yeah, so this is the ice made by the machine. The ice is well frozen with perfect cooling performance. Okay. Collect some more ice here. When we crush the ice, we can hear that it's very hot, well frozen. Good. Okay. Okay. Yeah, so this is how the system works. We can see that it's very convenient and easy to use the machine.